and welcome back to My Heaven's Arrow. I'm so glad that you could join me today. Today my topic is going to be collagen. Let's get at it. Okay, first of all, I am going to be 70 next year. I'm like 6.5 months away from 70. And I definitely showing my age, and there's a couple major reasons for that. I went on a keto diet starting in January of 2018, and it was a really rapid journey of weight loss. By the time January of 2019 rolled around, I was almost down 100 pounds, which was great. My doctor was happy, and I lost on an average of between 8 and 10 pounds a month to get to that point. And what happened in that time frame is I lost weight so fast, and my skin I got so many wrinkles. My face really wrinkled up really fast, and all I had was sagging skin here. I was just sagging everywhere, and it was scaring me because I never had that before. Obviously, I was overweight, and that was unpleasant, but I didn't have that weird look of like the sagginess and like just empty skin. I felt like I looked like a bag of bones. So when I talked to the doctor about it, first of all, she said, what you probably need is some collagen. So she says, I'm going to recommend some collagen for you to take on a daily basis. So I said, okay. So she gave me this, she told me about U-Theory collagen. It's for skin, hair, and nails. This is the product. And you take a total of six of these a day. Now I want to tell you, this is 6 pills. These are monster pills. They're monster pills. So you gotta be dedicated to be taking those every single day. But I've been very, very faithful, and over the last year, I've maybe only not taken them 3-4 times. So I think that's pretty good. And so she told me to take that. And then she also told me for the neck cream, she told me to try this, Bay Body Beauty, and it's called neck cream. It's an intensive face and neck moisturizer which fights appearance of wrinkles. And here it is right here. And it's a nice cream. Put that on your neck, like so. I have makeup on my neck, so I'm just putting it over my makeup right now. So, which probably isn't a good idea. But anyway, so I have these 2 things that I have been taking for the wrinkling in my skin. Taking this collagen and this neck cream. And as I'm doing that, and of course I had my hair loss, and my hair was so thin. I still have some thinning right into here, but all of a sudden, about 2.5 months ago, I started noticing that my hair was thicker up front, where I had lost a lot of hair, and I had all these hairs that were kind of like starting to grow up in and I started feeling like I had like there's so much more hair there, and it feels like cushiony. And I'm like, could my hair be growing? So I'll insert a picture here of what I had noticed. But when I pull my hair up, you'll see that I had have about 3.5 inches of growth of hair, or it seemed like thicker hair from my scalp up, and then my hair fades to nothing after that. It's just like no hair at all. So it's continued to grow, and I think now it's like about 4 inches maybe. I'm like, wow, something really must be happening. And then at the same time, my nails, which were always, now I don't have a beautiful manicure, but my nails which used to be paper thin, are now really thick and longer than I've had them in years. So I thought something must be going on, because I've been into this now for a whole year. So what I've decided to do is to follow this journey for the next 6 months. What I want to do is I'm going to keep track. I always take this, so it's no problem there, but I haven't really noticed a lot of change in my skin. But since I've noticed so much of the change in my hair, and that I'm actually, I believe, getting hair growth back, and because my nails are growing, I somehow feel as though my skin just might get something out of this. So what I'm going to be doing is, for the next 6 months, I thought once a month I'm going to check in, and we're going to just see how everything's going. And I'm going to put in some pictures of my skin, so you'll be able to see a close-up of my wrinkles, which are just beautiful. And I've earned every wrinkle I have, that's for darn sure. I've earned every one. But I want to track it and see if it really does work, because if it does, then I think it would be a great help for many of us, right? I will link these items below so that you can take a look at them if you like. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave any comments below if there's anything that you think I should try, or if that you use that's been successful. And I'm really excited for the next 6 months to see how this all goes. And I'm hoping that it's going to be a positive thing instead of a negative. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd love for you to join me. And thanks to all the new subscribers that I've gotten. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you'll stick around. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.